Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have OBS and your audio files, now add them as sources. In the Sources panel, click the plus button and choose Media Source, give it a clear name so you can find it later. Point the file path to the specific MP3 or WAV and check Restart Playback when source becomes active, so the alert plays from the start each time. Once done, lower or raise the source volume in the mixer, so it integrates with your scene without clipping or overpowering your microphone. Now connect that media source to a trigger so the sound plays when you want it to. You can assign a hotkey in Settings right arrow hotkeys to show /hide the source. That instantly activates the media playback because of the restart option. Alternatively, use a Stream Deck or a browser-based alert system and route its audio to a dedicated OBS audio source. This lets automated services play your file through the same mixer. Make sure sources are ordered and not muted, and test the trigger to confirm behavior. Finish by balancing and protecting the signal so alerts sound professional. Add a limiter or compressor filter to the media source to tame peaks, and adjust the mixer fader so alerts sit above background music but below voice. If the alert fails, make sure the source isn't hidden, muted, or referencing a moved file. Also verify the hotkey isn't used elsewhere. If problems persist, record a short local clip to observe how the alert is captured. Then iterate on levels and source order until it's consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.